Southport line to Birkdale number 4 siding. Ground-mounted position light signal Mike Lima 1085 has a route indicator. When cleared with indication SG, a route is provided towards Birkdale sidings, numbers 1, 2, 3 or 4. Maximum speed 10 miles per hour. The facing points in the sidings are hand-operated, and drivers must proceed cautiously, ensuring that the road ahead is set for the authorised movement. We are entering Birkdale number 4 siding. Capacity 6 cars.